Scott's on deck.
No, I'm loving it.
I'm in the deep hole.
So this is you have two from each box. You're going to shoot double tap the big plate, one hit on the small circle, double tap the other plate, and knock down two of the playback plates. You see?
Are you ready?
Oh.
Stand by.
So 2, 2.
Finished. Unload and show clear.
No.
It's clear. Hammer.
Is there one of those things where you get a knock double down per box?
You've got to knock down 2 plates of plate rack per box.